Okay, so now onto the slightly more fun part of creating our Click Missile ads. So I'm in Click Missile here, and I'm in the All Ads section, and here is where you can create a new ad. And I created my ad earlier, but if I'd wanted to actually create a new ad, I could just click on Create New Ad, and it would bring up a box like this. Which will be blank of course, but I've already pasted in my AdSense ad from my AdSense account. So what you need to do is create a new ad, paste your ad code in there. In this case I've created a responsive ad for my responsive theme, and then we just click on update, and then we've created our ad. Now what we have to do next with that ad is we have to actually place the ad in our post or in our widget areas. So I'll cover that next. Okay, so what I've done is I've gone away and checked my Google Analytics, and I found myself a very popular post, one that gets plenty of traffic. Because of course, if we get lots of traffic to a post, that means lots of split tests can happen, and it means we're going to get results in our split tests earlier. If you choose to use a long tail post, which of course you could, it's just going to take that much longer to get your split test results. So here's a popular post, and which I'm going to be inserting my variations of ads into. Now you can see this post has already got some ads inserted in it, but that doesn't matter because we're going to add some extra variations to it. So those are the default ads that I've already set up there, but we're just going to go in and add some more. So let's go in and edit this, and now we're going to insert some ads directly into the post. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have some variations. I'll have one with an ad somewhere in the middle, floated left, an ad in the middle so that's actually centered, and one down at the bottom. So I'm just going to stick it in here, I think. So I'm just going to stick it there, and I'm going to use the CMAds button, which is just up here. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to choose my ad, and it's called CPro Split Test Rectangle. And on tablets I want the same ad to appear, and I'm going to float that left, and on mobiles I also want the same ad to appear. So I'm going to click on Display Desktop Ad. Now here's the key to it all, the split test group. So what we can do here is put a name for this split test variation. I'm going to call this var1 for variation 1, and then I'll insert the ad. Okay, so now the shortcode for that has appeared in the post, and now I'm going to insert another ad directly into the post. Okay, so we've got the same ad, same set for tablets, and this time I'm going to make it centered and displaying the mobile on the mobile, the same ad, and we're going to call it variation 2. So in the center this is going to be variation 2. So our shortcode has appeared there again, and this time I'm going to head a bit further down for the ad that appears at the bottom of this post. It's actually appearing just before a page break, and I'm going to insert that down, just down at the bottom there, and I'm not going to float that at all. So it's same ad displayed on the desktop. It's going to be the same as displayed on a tablet. It's going to be just with no alignment to it, and same for mobile. It's going to be displaying the desktop ad, and I'm going to call that variation 3. I'll insert the ad. Okay, and there's our shortcode. So now I'll update that and save that, and then I'll show you how to display the variations that we've just set up. Okay, I'm going to show you now how you can view the variations of the ad positions that we've just created. And we can do that by using what's called a query string, which we stick on the end of our URL. So I'm going to put a question mark here, and the word CMSplit equals, and then the name of the variation that we want to see. So I'm just going to press return on that, and you should see now that we should have a floated left ad just down here, and indeed it is right there, because that was the first variation that we created, wasn't it? It was a floated left ad. So if I stick in var2 here, and we wait for that page and we scroll down, we should see one in the center. So there's our variation in the center, That looks yummy, doesn't it? Feeling hungry now. And if we type in var3, so split test group var3, and we can wait for that, and we should see that the ad is now moved down to the bottom there. So there we have our 3 variations, and we've accessed them using a query string. Now the reason why we use this query string will become clear very soon, and I'll show you that in the next videos.